Hey guys, I'm Smaya from Fotoranda. Today I am going to Ilford Lane where all the Pakistan Independence Day celebrations are happening. So let me take you there. Let's go and let's find out what's happening today. See ya. Okay guys, I am almost there. Can you hear it? Wow. It's proper celebration happening here. Let's go and check it out. Jashn-e-Azadi Mubarak to all my viewers. Today we celebrate a day of immense pride and joy. 14th August 2024, Pakistan's Independence Day. As we commemorate this day, let's dive into vibrant celebrations happening right here on Ilford Lane, London, a place that feels like a little Pakistan in the heart of UK. Let's take a moment to reflect on why we celebrate 14th August. On this day, in 1947, Pakistan emerged as a sovereign nation free from the British Raj. The Independence Day flag of Pakistan symbolizes the sacrifices made by our ancestors and the vision they had for a prosperous and peaceful nation. 14th August 1947 wasn't just the birth of a new country, it was the beginning of a new identity, a new hope, and a new destiny. 14th August is not just a date, it's a symbol of freedom, resilience, and unity. As I walk through Ilford Lane, the energy is electric. The streets are filled with the sound of honking cars, drums, and sight of beautiful Pakistan flags flying high. People from all walks of life have come together, dressed in green and white, celebrating the birth of our beloved nation, Pakistan. This year's celebrations are also reflective of current political climate in Pakistan. As I capture this moment, you will notice a significant presence of PTI and People's Party's flags. It's a clear indication of people's voices and their political affiliations, even miles away from home. Surprisingly, there is a noticeable absence of the Muslim League's flag, which is quite telling of the public sentiment at this moment in time. Moreover, today's celebration isn't just about Pakistan. Many are also showing their solidarity with Palestine, a cause close to the heart of many Pakistanis. The ongoing issues in Pakistan resonate deeply within our community. And you can see that in the way people are dressed and the flags they carry. It's a powerful reminder that while we celebrate our freedom, we also stand with those who are still fighting for this. Today, as we celebrate 14th August 2024, let's not only enjoy the festivities but also renew our commitment to making Pakistan stronger, more united, and more inclusive. Whether you are waving 14th August Pakistan flag in the street of London or in the heart of Lahore, this day belongs to all of us. Jashn-e-Azadi Mubarak, everyone. Look at this joy. It's incredible to see how the Pakistani community in London is celebrating their special day with such enthusiasm. The 14th August Pakistan Independence Day celebrations are testament to the deep-rooted love we all have for our homeland, no matter where we are in the world. The sight of Pakistan's flag fluttering in the breeze fills my heart with pride. Thank you for joining me on this special journey through the 14th August celebration in Ilford Lane. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that connects us to our roots and keep the spirit of Pakistan alive, no matter where we are in the world. Until the next time, take care, stay proud, Pakistan Zindabad.